create e-learning courses with DynDevice LMS. By activating this optional module, you can easily create custom e-learning courses on any topic and deliver them to your employees.
You can import text, multimedia, and PowerPoint content, and quickly produce a customized e-learning course on your own. You can quickly create effective training pills directly from your smartphone and assign them to your trainees. Moreover, the platform allows you to create lessons and exams in videoconference and a webinar without the installation of external software.
Try DynDevice LMS, the complete platform for the management of corporate training.
Request a free demo of the platform on DynDevice.com.